Hello, I'm Lena and welcome my channel. In today's video I will share information with you about the first animal discovered that can live without oxygen. Stay tuned. Researchers have discovered the only known animal that does not need oxygen to survive, a common parasite that largely preys on salmon. The parasite Henneguya salminicola does not require aerobic respiration in order to survive, a revelation that may change how we understand life on Earth and beyond. The multicellular organism, which is part of a group of animals closely related to jellyfish known as the myxozoa, does not breathe at all and does not have mitochondrial DNA. It's the first multicellular animal found in the wild to not have the DNA, which contains the genes responsible for respiration, and has lost the ability to perform aerobic cellular respiration, per the study. Some single-celled organisms do not need respiration to survive. They found that over the course of its evolutionary process, the animal has been able to survive by eliminating so many of the traits associated with multicellular species. H. salminicola is a fairly common parasite, causing milky flesh or tapioca disease in salmon, according to a guide published by the Alaska Department of Fish and Game. Milky flesh disease results in unsightly cysts on the salmon's flesh but is generally harmless to humans and the fish itself. Because H. salminicola resides inside the fish, the tiny creature has evolved to survive with inadequate oxygen supply. Researchers found that over the course of its evolutionary process, the animal has been able to survive by eliminating so many of the traits associated with multicellular species. They have lost their tissue, their nerve cells, their muscles, everything, and now we find they have lost their ability to breathe. It remains unclear how H. salminicola survives without oxygen, but researchers speculated that it may be leaching energy from its host. That genetic downsizing likely poses an advantage for parasites like H. salminicola, which thrive by reproducing as quickly and as often as possible. Myxozoans have some of the smallest genomes in the animal kingdom, making them highly effective. While H. salminicola is relatively benign, other parasites in the family have infected and wiped out entire fishery stocks, Huchon said, making them a threat to both fish and commercial fishers. When seen popping out of the flesh of a fish in white, oozing bubbles, H. salminicola looks like a series of unicellular blobs. Only the parasite's spores show any complexity. When seen under a microscope, these spores look like bluish sperm cells with two tails and a pair of oval, alien-like eyes. Those eyes are actually stinging cells, which contain no venom but help the parasite latch onto a host when needed. These stinging cells are some of the only features that H. salminicola has not ditched on its journey of evolutionary downsizing. That's the end of this video about the newly found species H. salminicola. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Follow me on Instagram at Lena Hologram. So long.